Hi everyone, this is Annalisa. Welcome back. So, I've been digging through all of my pictures and videos because it's dawning on me that I have a gig of online storage space and I've used almost 750 gigabytes worth of my terabyte of online storage space. So I was going through to see what I could maybe part with. And I stumbled across this video that I can't believe that I've only ever shared small clips from it. And so I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm very sad to say that I have no clue what colors these were. I don't even necessarily remember when I took this. I suppose I could look it up, but I think it was a month and a half ago, 2 months ago. Anyway, I just fell in love with this, and it's still one of my favorite hearts that I've done. I have probably 8 or so hearts that I've done and completed all the way through with resin, and this one is definitely my favorite. It resined beautifully. The colors stayed pretty true, which is kind of a rare thing when you're talking about darker colors on a black background. But what I've noticed is that when you can add a color like gold into the background, there is if you're doing a loaded palette swipe, if you put gold as your very last color, there's something about that makes it where it just pops, and I need to remember that more often because I always forget like how much gold just really makes a painting when you use these colors. I really wish I could remember which colors specifically they were because I would love to retry this. So the one thing that I noticed when I was rewatching this is how when I'm doing the swirls, I can tell that I'm trying really hard not to do swirls through the middle where my cells are the prettiest. And that really is like one of the hardest things to do when you want to wreck your certain areas of your bloom or your swipe, and you can't figure out which ones would be the best ones to wreck because you've got some really beautiful cells formed. When you're doing these, it's always best to spin it once and then take a look and then tilt it, make sure it's in the right spot before you spin it again. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the creation of this beautiful heart. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.